WHO Mental Health Policies. The WHO Mental Health Policy and Service Guideline Package. The purpose of this package is to help policymakers to develop effective policies and strategies to improve mental health of overall population. 13 modules for mental health policy. Number 1, the mental health context. Number 2, mental health policy, plans and programs. Number 3, organization of services. Number 4, planning and budgeting to deliver services for mental health. Number 5, advocacy for mental health. Number 6, mental health financing. Number 7, quality improvement for mental health. Number 8, human resources and training in mental health. Number 9, improving access and use of psychotropic drugs. Number 10, child and adolescent mental health policies and plans. Number 11, mental health information systems. Number 12, mental health policies and programs in the workplace. Mental Health Action Plan 2013-2020. WHO's Comprehensive Mental Health 2013-2020 plan has been extended until 2030 following the decision of the 72nd World Health Assembly, ensuring alignment with the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The main objective of the action plan are to: Number 1, strengthen effective leadership and governance for mental health. Number 2, provide comprehensive, integrated and responsive mental health and social care services in the community-based settings. Number 3, implement strategies for promotion and prevention in mental health. Number 4, strengthen information systems, evidence and research for mental health.
Nepal on mental health policy. A mental health policy for Nepal was developed by the government in 1997 with the commitment of providing basic mental health services to the entire population by integrating mental health care. The policy framework, however, is yet to be implemented. As a result, mental health services are essentially limited to a few hospitals. The mental health policy proposes several strategies to develop human resources for mental health services and ensure basic human rights of people with mental illness. Mental health services which are available in the country are mostly institution-based. Out of 77 districts, only 7 district hospitals provide mental health services. In Nepal, mental health problems are highly stigmatized in the community. No mental health awareness program have been carried out in the public health system. Due to this, numerous of challenges have to be faced. Despite this bleak mental health situation, Nepal has made significant improvement in recent years in comparison to a situation analysis conducted by WHO.
Philippine Mental Health Policies. The Department of Health created a national mental health policy in 2001, but still mental health remains a poorly resourced sector of healthcare in the Philippines. So the DOH released the Administrative Order 2016 number 0039 that aims to provide the framework for effectively implementing a comprehensive mental health program in the country. It guides all program managers, healthcare providers, various stakeholders at all levels of care in the implementation of mental health program. On June 21, 2018, they signed the Mental Health Act RA 11036 of the Philippines as the first Mental Health Act legislation in the history of the Philippines. According to the Official Gazette of the Philippines, the state commits itself to promote the well-being of people by ensuring that mental health is valued, promoted, and protected, health conditions are treated and prevented, affordable, high-quality, and culturally appropriate mental health is made available to public, services are free from coercion, accountable to the service users, and persons affected by mental health conditions are able to exercise the full range of human rights and participate fully in society and at work, free from stigmatization and discrimination. This law paved the way for proper mental health education and services in schools, universities, public places, and the workplace. Republic Act 11063 was visible in Bataan Peninsula State University from the Philippines, and it was stated in the university's handbook that the university aims to give the students better guidance services by continuously providing mental health services for free.
Pakistan Mental Health Policies. The mental health legislation was enacted in 2001 and it focused on the access to mental health care, including access to the least restrictive care, rights of mental health service consumers, family members. Administrative authorities. A National Mental Health Authority exists which provides advice to the government on mental health policies and legislation. The Government of Pakistan provides economic support for both consumer and family associations. There are 5 mental hospitals in Pakistan and 3729 outpatient mental health facilities, out of which 1% is for child and adolescents. There are 2 beds per 1 lakh in community hospital. 27% of training accounts for only mental health. 4% of total health burden accounts for mental health problems. Almost 5 million people need psychiatric assistance, but there is only 0.19 psychiatrists per 1.
Bangladesh mental health policies. Bangladesh has adopted Bangladesh National Mental Health Policy 2019 and National Mental Health Strategic Plan 2020 to 2030. Key components incorporated in the Bangladesh National Mental Health Policy 2019 and National Mental Health Strategic Plan 2020 to 2030 are primary healthcare integration, decentralization, equity, and innovative programs. Similarly, mental health care services in Bangladesh are psychiatric medications, psychological intervention, health intervention system, undergraduate and postgraduate courses in mental health, governance support, human resources, healthcare facilities for mental health, and primary care integration. Along with it, prime situational analysis tool to assess the strength of the Bangladesh mental health system has been adopted, and they are socioeconomic and health context, mental health policies and plans, mental disorder prevalence and treatment coverage, cultural issues and non-health sector community-based services, monitoring and evaluation, health information systems.
We will now be looking at the mental health policies of Bhutan. The concept of mental health is not widely explored, nor is it discussed in the school curriculum in Bhutan. The kingdom still observes the prevalence of myths and stigmas revolving these concepts. However, there is one mental health program in Bhutan, unfortunately with no proper legislation. The National Mental Health Program was put forward in 1997 for the promotion and protection of mental well-being of all its citizens. The objectives were to reduce the burden of mental health disorders, alcohol and drug dependence, and to reduce the care gap for mental disorders, thus creating awareness and reducing stigma and discrimination. However, over the course of time, under the national program, Bhutan has managed to integrate mental health care with primary healthcare system using training teams who educate and train mental health professionals in community levels. That is definitely a good thing, and we hope that Bhutan does best in the future.